Hi, this is Mrs McTaggart. In this video we are looking at the higher maths straight line topic and we are learning how to find the equation of an altitude. Before we go to do this, hopefully you already know how to find a perpendicular gradient. If not, why not pop off and have a wee look at that video first. So the altitude is another special type of line. It's a line that comes from one of the corners, fancy word vertex. Its main characteristic is that it's perpendicular to the opposite side. So there's that word perpendicular coming in again. So let's look at our methods. Remember, for any straight line, we need to find a point. Now there is no way of finding point D, so we're going to use point A, the one that comes from the altitude. Our gradient is the next thing we'll go do. And our gradient of this line, remember, is perpendicular to this line. So we're going to find gradient of BC. And then we're going to find the perpendicular gradient to that one. And then we're going to use this point, this gradient, and we're going to go find our equation. And that's all written there above, but I just thought I would go through it again. Okay, so let's do two examples. So on this first one here, the picture is already given to us. We have our triangle, the points D, E and F. The question is asked for the equation of the altitude from D. So you draw a line coming from D to the opposite side, and all it does is meets there at right angles. So you have to remember all the special attributes or the key features of these lines. There's 3 altogether, and altitude is just one of them. So the point for this one is easy to work out because it's only point D. There is no way of getting that point on the line. I appreciate E looks like it's where my line is, but E is really this corner up here. So we are going to use coordinate D when we get our equation. So I'm just going to write that in. That is our point, -4, 1. Then we're going to find the gradient of the line the altitude meets. So we're going to find the gradient of EF. So I'm going to just write out my coordinates for E to F. So I'm not looking away over there. So E and F are 6 and 3. So gradient EF will be 3 take away 5 over 6 take away 2, which gives us -2 over 4, which goes down to -1/2. Remember, we are looking for the perpendicular gradient. You might write M-perp there, I write M with a little perpendicular sign. So perpendicular to -1/2 is what you need to multiply it by to get -1. Or the trick is you flip it and change the sign. If I flip this, it's 2 over 1. We don't need the over 1, so it's just 2. So a little reminder, I like to highlight what we're using. So I'm going to be using this point. I'm going to be using this gradient. And now I'm good to go find my equation. So plugging into y minus b equals mx minus a. This should be the easy bit on the home straight. So we've got y take away 1 equals 2 bracket x minus -4 turns into +4. Multiply out your bracket. We have 2x plus 8. Take over the 1 and add it. So we have 2x plus 9. So that is the equation of our altitude. Now let's do another one. On this one, the triangle is not given to me. So I do a little sketch. It doesn't matter what your triangle looks like. It doesn't matter where you put your letters. P, R, B. We want the altitude from B. So we draw a line coming from B until it meets the other side at a right angle. And that just helps us realise what line we have to find the gradient of first of all. So let's go with our point. I like to set it up as point gradient equation. So the point I'm going to use is the point B, because that is already on the line I'm finding. Just a little reminder that this is the line we are after, the one I'm going over there in red. So point B is already on that line, so we'll use that one. So 1, 6. Our gradient, we need to find the gradient of PR. So I'm just going to write out that I'm using 7, 3 and -5, -1. So gradient of PR equals -1 -3 all over -5 -7, which is -4 over -12. Double negative cancels out. That simplifies down to 1/3. And remember, we want the perpendicular gradient to that. Perpendicular to a third will become -3 over 1. We don't need the over 1 though, so it's just -3. Flip it and change your sign. So now we've done all the stuff we need for the equation. This is the coordinate I'm going to use. This is the gradient I'm going to use. And we're going to plug into your y minus b equation. So the equation we're after is y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. And I appreciate you won't always write that out, but it's good for me to do it to let you see what I'm using. So it's y negative 6 equals negative 3 bracket x minus 1. Multiply out your bracket is negative 3x plus 3. Take that 6 over, it'll become a plus 6. Added to the 3 will give you plus 9. So there is the equation of your altitude. So key tip, please draw a sketch. As markers, a lot of the time we see pupils finding the gradient of the wrong lines. Okay, and a little sketch just lets you see, okay, I'm finding gradient PR and not BR or BP. Okay, so that's me done 2 examples. I hope this has helped. Thanks for watching.